Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you zucchini stir fry easy recipe. This is going to be a very delicious recipe that you can enjoy with your rice. I harvested fresh zucchini today morning from my kitchen garden, so I'm going to make it this for lunch. So let's see how to make this. Here I've taken olive oil, adding mustard seed here 1 teaspoon. Once it starts crackling, we'll add cumin seed here. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon cumin seed. This is a Presto Electric Skillet that I'm cooking on, and I have set the temperature at 300 Fahrenheit. So it's like low medium heat you can cook. Even you can cook this on your normal skillet on gas cooktop also, stove cooktop. So here I've added half onion, 1 garlic clove finely chopped. Give it a good mix. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can add paprika here. And now adding the freshly chopped zucchini. I've taken 1 whole zucchini. Give it a good mix. Add salt per taste. Now it's good to cook at low medium heat once again. We will close the lid here. I'm adding green chilies here. You can add jalapenos also. 1 jalapeno finely chopped you can add to it for little heat. Close the lid, let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Give it a good mix in between. Open the lid and just mix it. So it took 8 minutes for cooking the zucchini. Now it's ready to be served and enjoy with rice. Hope you enjoyed this easy zucchini recipe. See you soon with more recipes. Till then, bye bye and take care.